All right, so here's our set. This is on page 61 of your packet. Can you please make sure you've put your name and date and period at the top? So our goal is to identify whether it's a function, determine if it's linear or quadratic, the type of growth we're seeing, and express the relation in the indicated form. So number 3 says driver's ed course starts with 81 students, and then as they complete the course by passing it. For the first month, there were 27. So we've got number of students and number of months going on here. So after completing the course, so it started with 81 students. After the first month, there were 27 still in the course, and then there were 9, and then were 3. So do you see the pattern that's going on here? Is it a function? Yes, because for every input, there's only one output. Is it linear, exponential, or quadratic? We're dividing by 3 or multiplying. How does it change? We've got a common ratio of 1/3, and then make a graph and label your axes. So we're starting with 0, 81. So let's go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is number of students in the course. And on the bottom is our number of months. So we're going to start up here at 81. We're going to go down here to 127. We're going to go down here to 29. And then 3. And is there such thing as in between numbers? I don't think so. I don't think there's in between students. So I would keep this graph as discrete or not connected. Looking at the next one. Pause this video, try it on your own, then check it. Do you see that this is just going down by 1/3, subtracting 1/3 each time? So is it a function? Yes, for every input, there's only one output. Because it's just subtracting 1/3, we know it's linear, and we know it's just subtracting 1/3 each time. Write the explicit. So we go f of x equals, begins with 81, subtracting 1/3 each time to the x minus times 0 or x minus 0, whatever plane x. Number 5, is it a function? Vertical line test, it touches twice, not a function. So no. Is this linear, quadratic? Neither. What the heck is that thing, right? It's like a sideways V. How does it change? It is increasing and decreasing over the same domain. And then I want you to create a table of values with a couple of the points on there. I want you to see that a couple of the x values have multiple outputs. It is increasing and decreasing. Get me a couple xy values. So see how it's 0, 0? Okay, but then for 1, there's a -1 and a 1 output. So for every x, there's supposed to be only one y. So for us, that doesn't work. The distance traveled in feet based on the speed. Check out all these points that they put on here. Is the relation a function? Yes. It is linear. How does it change? You're going to do the slope formula on this for me. 365 minus 334 over 110 minus 105. All that noise you guys are hearing is you guys coming into class. So don't worry, I'm almost done with the video. So 365 minus 334, subtract that is 1, 3. So 31 over 5 is your slope. So how does it change? Your common difference is 31 over 5. Predict the distance the baseball flies if it leaves at a speed of 115. So can you guess what the next output would be there? And it should just go up by 31. So 365 plus 31 is going to give us 396. How'd you do? And that's it.